How to verify funded next account. Now, there are tons or multiple ways for you to be able to have or fully activate or verify your funded next account. The very first thing that you want to do is to complete the KYC verification process. So if you head over directly to fundednext.com's official site and hover your mouse directly to FAQs and to the CFD's FAQ, you should be able to see the steps on how you can complete the KYC verification process. So basically, once you have successfully completed the challenge phases, you will receive a notification on your dashboard telling you that you need to initiate the KYC verification process. So you just have to click on the Verify Now option, and then just you will be redirected automatically to the verification center, and this is where you will be sending out all your documents. Now, through your profile, this is where you should be able to see your verification center if the Verify Now button is not provided on your dashboard. Now on verification center page, you will also find the instructions along the start verification button. You just have to automatically or directly click on that to reveal two options for verifications: scanning the QR code or sending a verification link via SMS. And now these are gonna be the documents accepted for you to have or to complete the KYC verification process. So it's gonna be either national ID, your passport, or your driver's license. Now once you have submitted all of those, then you will be provided with a continue button. And then on the agreement signing page in the verification center of your dashboard profile, you will have to enter your full name and address and agree to the terms and conditions. After that, you need to hit on submit. Now, after everything is fully updated and set up, you will now just have to wait from a notification sent out from Funded Next to ensure that your account is fully verified from KYC. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to verify your Funded Next account.